this morning at 8:30 on 6 June 2025, I received a call from a primary school headmaster about a puff adder in the children's play area. While they were cleaning the corner, they come across this puff adder. It's not that big puff adder, and it was cold. It was about 8 degrees Celsius this morning, that time. So that's why this puff adder is just hanging there like a string. Totally not aggressive, because it was chilling.
My vader slaap op as dit so koud is, maar hulle slaap nie as dit koud is nie. Mense kry baie meer pofadders in die winter gevang as Kaapse kobras. Kaapse kobras gaan in 'n winter slaap en wat jy bromasie noem en nie hibernasie nie, want hy steeds soogdier, hy's 'n reptiel. So, jy was oral speelgoed en toe.
Daai was die speelgoed, daai onder so daar was.
Toe maak julle skoon, toe sien julle, hey, jy lê 'n ding.
Ek was nie seker ek het dan hier sien nie.